So this is how to buy Polygon cryptocurrency in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys have Robinhood open, go to the bottom in the middle and then press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, at the top where it says search by name or symbol, we're going to start typing in Polygon like this, or you can type in a ticker symbol POL. Make sure that Polygon is selected. Once you have Polygon selected, at the bottom, press buy. Then in the top right, if you select market order, you can choose the order type. I will leave it at market order in Canadian dollars for this example. Then you can type in how much Polygon crypto you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do, let's just say $2 worth, you would type in 2 and then press review. Then on this page, you can check the amount of Polygon that you're purchasing, the total fees, and the total cost. And if everything looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy a Polygon cryptocurrency here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.